conducting strongly magnetic ion separator, evaporative cooling electromagnetic ion separator, and 2500 Gauss force oil circulation electromagnetic ion separator are taking international leading positions. Force oil cooling vertical ring high gradient magnetic separator, oil water compound cooling vertical ring high gradient magnetic separator, evaporative cooling vertical ring high gradient magnetic separator, 1850 model drum permanent magnetic separator, the first racing concentrate grade and decreasing drags content drum permanent magnetic separator, enutriation electromagnetic separator, magnetite powder mineral air separation complete set equipment production line, periodic high gradient electromagnetic separator are taking international leading positions. The aluminum melting and casting permanent magnetic stirrer, electromagnetic stirrer, added current separation complete set equipment, complete set production line for non-metallic minerals and powder processing production line enjoy great prestige in the world. By cooperating with famous scientific research and academy experts,